Hello everybody, welcome back to the fifth lesson. Let's see the book back question answers. That's page number 29 onwards. Exercise 1, match the following. Rajasthan. Right answer C, largest state. Second, central government offices. The right answer is option D, Delhi. Third one, it is the capital of two states. The right answer, Chandigarh. Fourth one, Andaman and Nicobar. The right answer is B, Union Territory. Fifth one, Imphal. The right answer, option A, capital of Manipur. Exercise B, fill in the blanks. The dash frames rules and laws that help run the country. The right answer, the government. Second one, the governor of a state lives in the dash of the state. Answer, capital. Third one, dash is the smallest union territory of India. Answer, Lakshadweep. Fourth one, Delhi is also known as the dash dash dash. The right answer, National Capital Territory. Fifth one, the capital of Assam. Answer, Dispur. Chennai is the capital of dash, Tamil Nadu. Exercise C, write the names of the capitals of the following state. Rajasthan, Jaipur. Second one, Himachal Pradesh. The answer, Shimla. Third one, Madhya Pradesh. The answer, Bhopal. Fourth one, Tripura. The answer, Agartala. Fifth one, Karnataka. Answer, Bengaluru. Sixth one, Maharashtra. The answer, Mumbai. Seventh one, Goa. The answer, Panaji. Eighth one, Odisha. The answer, Bhubaneswar. Exercise D. Answer the following questions. First one, what is the role of a government? How many governments are there in India? The answer, the government frames the laws to run the country. It decides where to build essential things like schools, roads and railway stations for the people. It also provides water, electricity and communications to the people. In India, there are two levels of governments. The central government governs the entire country and the state governments govern the separate states. Second one, why has India been divided into states and union territories? India is a big country with a very large population. It is difficult for the central government to take care of the whole country. So the country has been divided into states so that take care of the welfare of its people. Third one, how many states and union territories are there in India? Answer, there are 28 states and 8 union territories. What is the function of the central government? Answer, the central government takes care of the safety and welfare of the people. Fifth one, where are the state governments located? Answer, the state government is located in the capital of each state. From here, the governor, chief minister and other ministers and senior government officers run the government. Multiple choice questions. First one, Kerala is in the dash of India. Your options are North, B. South, C. East. The right answer is South. Second one, Puducherry is a dash. Your options A. State, B. Union territory, C. Country. And the right answer is B. Union territory. Third one, at present, India is divided into dash states. Option A 25, option B 27, option C 28. The right answer is 28. Fourth one, dash is the capital of Punjab. Option A Chandigarh, option B Mohali, option C Amritsar. The right answer is Chandigarh. Every state of India has a dash. Option A, Prime Minister. Option B, President. Option C, Chief Minister. The right answer is Chief Minister. That's the end of the book back questions. Please listen to this a couple of times and work on this. It will surely help you out. Thank you. God bless you. Bye-bye.